Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing a super important topic, how to check your iPhone's battery health. Over time, your iPhone battery degrades, and knowing its health can help you understand its performance. We'll be covering a simple step-by-step guide, so you can easily find this info on your own iPhone. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, so what exactly will we be covering today? We're going to show you the built-in way to check your iPhone's battery health within the Settings app. We'll also talk briefly about what the numbers mean and what to look out for. It's all very straightforward. Alright, let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and go to the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the battery option. Tap on it. Now, in the battery settings, tap on Battery Health and Charging. You might see just Battery Health, depending on your iOS version. And there you have it. On this screen, you'll see the maximum capacity percentage. This number represents the battery's capacity relative to when it was new. A brand new iPhone battery would show 100%. So, what does this maximum capacity number actually mean? Well, as your iPhone battery ages and goes through charge cycles, its maximum capacity decreases. Lower percentage means you might experience shorter battery life between charges. For example, if your battery health is at 80%, it means your battery can only hold 80% of the charge it could when it was brand new. You'll likely notice you need to charge your phone more frequently. Also, on this screen, you might see a section called Peak Performance Capability. Asterisk if your battery is healthy, it'll say something like, your battery is currently supporting normal peak performance. Asterisk if your iPhone has experienced unexpected shutdowns because of battery degradation, you might see a message saying performance management has been applied. This means your iPhone might be throttling performance to prevent shutdowns. This can happen on older iPhones, especially with significantly degraded batteries. Keep in mind that Apple offers battery replacement services if your battery health is significantly low and affecting your iPhone's performance. Check out their website or contact Apple support for more details. That's it. That's how you easily check your iPhone's battery health. Now, a little bonus tip. To help prolong your battery life, you can enable optimized battery charging in the battery health settings. This feature learns your charging habits and delays charging past 80% until just before you need to use your iPhone. We hope this guide was helpful. Now you know how to monitor your iPhone's battery health. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about battery health or anything else iPhone related. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.